She was just 9. She hadn't spoken a word in class for 3 months. Her teachers said she was stubborn. Her parents thought she was being shy. And what's their plan? To push her harder, enroll her in elocution. She just needs confidence, they said. But no one asked that why she went silent. But we asked one question: when did she stop feeling safe to speak? Well, sometimes silence is not defiance, it's protection. And the truth was, she was mocked for her stutter, stammering. Once that all it took, one laugh, one shame filled moment. By using our KCI framework, we built her voice back. Today, she still stutters, but she is emotionally more expressive and more confident. This is what happens when we listen beyond words. We don't force confidence, we grow it. She didn't need a stage, she needed safety. And someone who would hear the words even when they weren't spoken. Your child isn't broken. They're just waiting for someone to see, feel it, and hear them. So, if you want to raise an emotionally brave child, join our holistic health program, which batch starting on 1st of August. Type Ninja for more details. Let us help you and your child become emotionally strong.